Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are covering one of the most important cake decoration basics, how to crumb, coat and smoothly frost your cake like a pro. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, this guide is for you. Let's get started. The first one is about what is crumb coating. A crumb coat is a thin layer of frosting that seals is loose crumb before the final coat. It creates a clean surface so your cake looks neat and polished. The first thing is prepare your cake. Start with your cooled cake layers. Level the tops for even stacking. Add your filling between each layer. Stack the cake on a thumb or turntable or cake board. The next thing is apply the crumb cake coat. Now use a spatula, separate a thin layer of frosting all over the cake, and this doesn't need to be perfect. It just wrap the crumb. Cover the top and sides. Smooth gently with a bench scraper. Don't worry, it crumbs not visible. This is normal. The next step is chill the cake. Place your crumb coated cake in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. This firms up the frosting so the final coat goes so smoothly. The next step is apply the final coat. Take your cake out and add a thicker final coat of buttercream or white cream. Start your from the top and down, work down. Use your own offset spatula for edges. Hold your bench scraper at 45 degrees centigrade and turn the cake to smooth the sides. Fill any gap and very smooth as needed. The next thing is sharp or soft edges. You can leave your cake with soft round edges for a rustic look. You use a spatula to make crisp and sharp edges for a more polished finish. The next is cleaning up. Clean your cake board using a paper towel or thumb dumb brush. A neat base makes your whole cake look professional. The next step is ready for decoration. And now it's ready for decoration. Add sprinkles, drips, toppers, stencils, or flowers. It's all up to you and it's your choice, but the basic is smooth, stable and gorgeous. And this is all guide of making a smooth and crumb coated cake. And that's it. You have mastered the crumb coat and smooth frosting finish. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing videos like this, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any cake tutorial only on Cakes Factory. Tell us the comment what kind of cake you will be decorated next, and don't uh, forget this video to your baker friend or the one who you love most, and the one thank Thank you for watching. See you then in the next video.